What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogtober day 16. Today we are going to be doing this leopard look. I'm so excited to share this one with you guys. I've actually had this one in my back pocket for quite some time. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture right here for you guys. This was a few years ago. As you can see, the kids are super young. Again, I've been holding this one in my pocket for you. So with that being said, guys, smash this video with a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Lena. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications so that way you get notified every single time we upload a new video. Welcome to the life as Lena Mac. What's up, you guys? So like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing the leopard look. Smash this video with a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Alright guys, so to start off, I already have my foundation on. I already have my eyebrows done. We are going to start off with the contour first. I am going to be going in with the bronzer that I'm going to be using today is the Benefit Hula Bronzer in size mini. So we're going to go ahead and start off by contouring our cheeks as well as our forehead, and then we're going to go ahead and go into the nose. Now on to the nose. So for the nose, you're going to go ahead and define each side. Just like that, guys, you're going to go ahead and contour your nose, and then we're going to go ahead and conceal, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The concealer that I'm using is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory. You're going to want to apply it underneath your eye as well as your chin and your nose and forehead. Now this is your guys' preference if you're going to want to use a beauty blender or a concealer brush. I am going to go in with a concealer brush. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Air Spun Translucent Powder. Go ahead and pat it in. Alright guys, so the next step that I'm going to show you guys is the eyeliner. It is your preference on what you want to use, whether it is liquid, pencil, or eyeshadow. You're going to go ahead and just draw a wing eyeliner, and then I'll go ahead and show you how to draw the wing into the eye to make it more of that cat kind of eye look. Now it's your guys' preference if you guys want to go thick with it, small with it. I made mine thick, so that's just how she's going to be. Alright guys, so here's eye number 1. Again, it's your preference on how you guys want to do your wing eyeliner. Just make sure you give that corner cat eye look. Alright guys, so with the power of editing, we're going to go ahead and do eye number 2. And just like that, guys, eye number 2 is done. I went ahead and went in with a black eyeshadow off camera, guys. This is my first time actually doing a full-on wing like this. I have done this look a couple years back, but hey, I had my fun with it. Alright guys, so for the next step, I'm going to be doing the spots, and to do that, I'm going to be using my El Maquillage eyeliner. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So to create your leopard print, you're going to go ahead and want to create kind of like a coffee bean shape outline. I'm not even sure how to explain it, guys. So just kind of follow what I do, the best to your advantage. Honestly, have fun with it, and you don't have to interlock them, guys. You can leave them open with a gap. You can leave half C's, full C's. Just follow what I do, have fun with it. If you guys happen to recreate this look, be sure to tag me. I'll go ahead and link my Instagram here for you guys now. That way you guys can go ahead and tag me your looks or at me your looks. That way I can see your guys' creations and how you guys created these leopard print spots. Alright guys, so here's my leopard print. Again, feel free to have fun with it and do however you guys like. Again, I just started right here on one side and went up into my cheek. Feel free to place them wherever you guys like. This is just where I started, but let's go ahead and keep going. Alright guys, so here are the leopard spots. Feel free to do your spin on it, your take on it, have fun on it. Just remember coffee bean. That's kind of the way that I just remember how to do it. And just make C's or U's or two C's facing each other, however, just not connecting. Sometimes they connect. It is up to you. It is your choice. Just have your fun, have your spin, and have fun creating. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and move on to the nose. We're going to use the same technique that we used for the deer, and we're going to go ahead and draw a heart shape on our nose and then fill it in, and then fill that in with black eyeshadow to make it more pigmented. You guys are also going to want to go ahead and drag it down into your lip as well. Alright guys, so you followed every step correctly. This is what your leopard face should be looking like. We're going to go ahead and move on to the whiskers portion. So let's get started. Alright guys, it is going to be your preference whether you're going to want to use a liquid pencil or just a regular pencil. But you are going to just simply draw 3 dots on each side and then go ahead and add whiskers. You can do as many as you want, as less as you want. It is your look. Have fun with it and be creative. With the same eyeliner, you're going to go ahead and line your top lip, or you can use a lipstick, whatever you guys preference. That I'm using today, guys, is the Thrive mascara. I live by the mascara. I love this mascara. It is seriously my favorite mascara. Get you guys some Thrive. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know whether the leopard, the scarecrow, or the deer was your favorite look. Stay tuned for the few looks that I got to come. You guys have no idea. You guys are going to be so mind-blowing. So stay tuned. Smash this video with a huge thumbs up, guys. And again, it is your preference on the look. I went ahead and went in with the full black lip instead of just doing the black, like the lip gloss, like I said. Again, your preference, your spin, your take, and your creativity on this look. Be sure to tag me on my Instagram or at me if you guys create any of my looks. Here it is right here. I'll go ahead and drop it for you guys. I'll be super excited to see your spin and your creativity on my looks. With that being said, guys, that's gonna go ahead and conclude the video. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.